Okay guys, here is the 8-inch 5-speed drill press. 120 volt, 60 hertz, 740 to 3,140 RPM. So pick this up in January. Been using it for about 3 months now. Ended up getting this for about $89 before tax. So overall, a pretty solid deal on this unit for the amount I use it. Now this isn't going to be a hardcore, use it all the time drill press in my opinion, but it's good for the hobby guy that doesn't use a drill press too often, which meets my needs. Now one of the things I'm kind of disappointed in that I didn't really notice before I bought it is the limiting factor on this drill press is the height that you have to get your material in there. So I built this nice little table. This is like 12 by 16 inch. Fun little project I did. I put some T-track in it and these nice little hold downs from Rockler. They make it really nice to hold the material down. The only problem is on this 8-inch drill press, this leaves me with about 1.25 inches to get my stock in there. So not sufficient. If I take the table off, that'll bring me up to about 2 3/4 inches. So I'll take the table off real quick and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are back with the table off. Bits in. Got about 2 3/4 inches now. So way more substantial, but not a lot of room to play with. Had I known this, researched this a little bit better before I bought it, I probably would have went with the 10-inch. I'm not sure how much more that one was. I think it was like 20, 30 bucks more, but probably worth it just to get that extra height out of the post. Let me turn it on for you. So overall, really quiet, runs really smooth, does a good job. Overall, I don't really have much bad to say about it except for the clearance. Okay guys, here's a little bit more on my table that I made for the drill press. I think it's about, like I said, it's about 12 by 16 inches. Put some T-track in it. Got a little block here that can be replaced when it gets wore out. Stick that in there. And I'll just show you how I secured it on the bottom. Because when I was building this, that was one of the biggest challenges, trying to figure out how I wanted to secure it to easily get it on and off. So I just built a little frame here out of some oak I had laying around, and then just nail gunned it in, and then I just put this, I put some wing nuts and some bolts through here, and then once this slides onto the drill press, I can just easily tighten it up on there. So that works out pretty good. It's a nice little wider area to work with, except for that, that problem with the clearance. Hey guys, as always, thanks for tuning into the Tennessee Yankee. I hope you like the content here. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or check out my next video up in the top left-hand corner. See you next time.